Hi guys, how you doing? Today we're going to continue with this Datsun J1300 engine rebuild. That one is a 2-liter air-cooled VW air-cooled engine. I'm still waiting for the flywheel here. Like I said before, the guy was supposed to bring me the flywheel so that we can start it, but then he didn't. So I'm still waiting for that. I'm even thinking of selling it. Even that other one that we did, will it run on it? So yeah. But today we're not going to talk about this one. This one I'll try to find the flywheel and then maybe try just to see if it starts. If it doesn't start, thinking of selling it. I'm not sure, but we'll see. So today we're on with this one. So today what we're going to do is to install the top or the head cylinder. I mean the head, yeah, the top cylinder. Yeah, I'm sure you know what I'm talking about. So this is what I'm talking about. This goes there. So this is the top gasket. We've installed it, and then this will go there. Yeah, it is pretty simple how to put it. I just wanted to show you where it goes, but then let me not bore you with the procedure. I'll bring you back after installing it. Alright guys, so now we get our cylinder head on. So what we need to do is to put in our nuts. My nuts goes like that. Another one. Yeah, so all the way around we're going to put them. So now we're going to put in our rocker, no, our, what do you call, our tubes here. So we're going to put in our rocker arms. There's our rocker arms here. So this will go here, and then yeah, let me just clean this and then put them in. Alright guys, so they are clean. So what we do is to put them like that. Another one like that. Where the other ones seems like they are short. I think we are short on two, but I'll find them. No big. So let me find the two and then I'll bring you back, because I think they must be lying around here. Let me find the two. Then what we're going to do next is to put in this rocker arms. These are push rod tubes. So no, these are the push rod, and then this will go here, and then our rockers will beat on this thing right here, this right here, this one right here will beat on this push rod, and then this push rod will beat on this what do you call, this cylinder right here. Then this cylinder will open and close the valves. So let me find this two missing here. Don't know where I put them. Let me find those two missing there so that we can continue. Come on. Where did I put them? I thought me. Alright guys, so I found them. They were just laying around that other side. As you can tell, my workplace is a bit of a mess, but yeah, as long as we get things done. So remember guys, to put them the correct way. This side goes down, this side comes up. Don't forget, this side goes down, this side goes this side goes down, this side goes up. The reason why I'm saying that is because, as you can see here, this needs to go inside here so that it can let me show you. This needs to go inside here, all of them, exactly like that. Even this other one right there. Yeah, so as you can see, they are all just right. So what we're going to do now is to put the rocker arms in. So let me bring you back after. Alright guys, so we got our rocker arm in, we got our nuts in. So the very important thing that you need to do before you can tighten your nuts is to make sure that you tighten them in a sequence. You have your middle ones here, you have your outer ones here, the ones that hold the rocker arms, the rocker shaft. So what you do is that you start with the middle ones first. As you can see, I didn't tighten them up. What you do is that, so that when the cylinder head goes down, it doesn't go down it goes down, it lines up perfectly. It doesn't go down at a what do you call, it doesn't lean on another side. It goes down flat. So you tighten the middle one first, and then you tighten this one, you tighten that one, you tighten this one, then you come back again, you tighten this one up. Like, you don't tighten this one all the way and then you come to this one, you tighten this one all the way. No, it will lean down that other side. So you start with this middle ones, so that you push it down, and then you go that side, you push it down, you go this side, you push it down. So let me tighten them up and then I'll bring you back. Alright guys, so we got our nuts tightened up. They're strong the way that they need to be. So now we're going to test if our timing is right, and our valves here, right here, they are not hitting our pistons. So the way to explain it is that if these valves, they are closed, it means that our piston is up, it is on compression stroke. I mean, it is going to be, yeah, it is on compression stroke, if I'm not wrong. So the way to test that is just to turn the flywheel, turn it. If it doesn't hit anything, or if it does not get stuck, it means that your valve are opening and closing the way that they should be. So we are going to turn it. It is turning, sorry, it is turning. Let's mark it with this thing right here. So we're going to turn it, and then when it comes back again, it means that it is on full cycle. Don't want to hit myself. So here is our mark. There is our mark there. So yeah, it means that everything is okay. The opening and closing. This one is closed. This one needs a bit of adjustment. This one is closed. Yeah, so I'll just adjust them. I'll show you how to adjust them. It's just that I don't have the feeler gauge to adjust them. So, but then yeah, I think we're almost done now. What is needed to be done is just to put in the water pump, and then a couple of stuff that is this left in here. I think this is the oil filter, oil mountain, our oil screen. It goes down here, and then our petrol pump, and then this is our starter, this is our distributor, this is our pulley, and then this is the cover for what do you call the cover for those push rod tubes. Yeah, and then this is our water outlet. Yeah, and then this is our gasket for our manifold. And then this is our tappet cover. This is our manifold. This is our oil pan. There is our pulley. Yeah, then there is our what do you call adapter, our plate, adapter plate that goes to the starter. We're going to hook a starter there. Yeah, so there is our bolt to finish up what we have started here. So with that, guys, don't think we have too many stuff left. Just going to button up everything, and then put in I'll turn on the camera if I see something, if it is a bit difficult or there is a need for me to show it. So I think we are just about done here. I think we are just about done. They ran this engine without no antifreeze. But anyway, nothing to worry about. This will just clean itself up as soon as we start it. Not sure if it's going to start, but do have confidence in myself. I think it might start if our starter does not let us down. So yeah, with that, guys, thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more videos to come. I'll probably take a break from this one, maybe to that one or to another project, but bear with me as I go to that project. So, but then if you see a project here, then I've not said anything about it, it means that I still have it. Then stay tuned. I will continue with it. So with that, guys, thanks for watching. Stay tuned. Hit that like button. Thanks. Bye.